Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can find your saved passwords on Google. So first of all, what you'll need to do is head over to a Chrome browser, or you can go over to settings if you are on Android. Once you click on settings, you can then scroll down until you see an option for Google services. Click on this and then you can click on manage your Google account. Once you click on manage your Google account, you can scroll all the way over to security and select the security option. And then once you select the security option, you will then need to start scrolling down this page. Once you scroll down, somewhere near the bottom, there will be an option for password manager. If you click on this, what that will do is it will bring you to here. And then as you can see, I have saved passwords for Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Trello. And if I want to see any of these, I can click on the one that I want. What you'll notice then on this page, there is an option for a password. And if you want to see this, you can click on the eye icon. And it's just as simple, guys. That's how you can go ahead and find your saved passwords on your Google account.